Hey everybody, it's Michael here. I play drums in the band called From This Day Forward. We are a metal band established in Omaha, Nebraska, and today I'm going to be talking about Collision Drumsticks. So I've been a drummer for 13 years, and I always been playing with size 5A. Why do I play 5A? As a metal musician, I like to be quick behind my drum kit. I like to do some quick fills, and I like to do some pretty cool stick tricks. And with the size 5A, I think that's perfect for me. I definitely recommend size 5A if you have not yet tried, playing with this size. A couple things I want to talk about Collision Drumsticks. So the people behind the brand Collision Drumsticks, they really care about their product, and they definitely show. I've been playing with this pair of sticks the past few shows, and I do get kind of wild behind my drum kit. And honestly, as I can show you right here, there is not any dents. They're definitely holding up. Other pairs of drumsticks, 2 shows, they're done. But with these, they're definitely holding on to, really well. No dents, no cracks, nothing to be concerned about. I definitely recommend these kind of sticks. Collision definitely cares about their product, and I'm really happy to be using them.